Good morning and welcome to the Ready Steady Crypto Daily Update. So, guys, what an awesome, exciting couple of hours it's been. So, Bitcoin yesterday, or right now, is experiencing a 20% swing in either direction. We did call the bottom here. We took out a long position and we exited at 37,000. I wish I'd have kept it going all the way up to where it was at 40. But look, nevertheless, it did look like we were crashing. I get it, I understand it, but if you've been following the channel and following the updates, it's been no secret that we was buying down here at 36. You can see that a stop loss still kept us inside of this level. This was the support and resistance zone that we was looking to enter as trades. So everything's pretty much had a 20% swing in either way. ETH we missed, but same again, it still come down into the expected zone. Then we've got VRA. VRA did VRA were 22% down, so that's a 34% swing. I know people like it's hard to look at it from a bullish point of view, but sometimes you've just got to trust the analysis, guys, and forget the FUD and just chart things properly, because you can see here, Hero's activated, lovely. If you'd have took Hero trade yesterday, I guarantee that's a 30% move. So everybody who at 46% move for Hero. Umbrella Project hasn't really done much, but still it's up 20%. Polyastic is probably going to be something similar, but you can see here all these trades have activated pretty much. And I will be selling everything I own today and buying Bitcoin. I wish I'd have done it yesterday. Didn't see the crash coming. That's a 26% on Cadena. So look, the market conditions are absolutely volatile right now. I've not seen Bitcoin swing 20% in a day, probably in my life, to be honest. I've seen it crash. I've seen that, I've witnessed it. I've never actually watched it unfold with my eyes. So this is crazy, crazy times. We're just tipping now at 38,000. You can see here the original. I'm going to go down onto the 15-minute time frame because that's the one that I was using to chart yesterday. But you can see here yesterday that I'd charted from down here. I put this pattern in here and saying this is a perfect long position here. We then took out the long position there. I exited somewhere around here because I was a little bit uncertain, so I wish I'd have kept that in there. I've got the social proof to call it. We actually said we'd come somewhere around here at about 37k. Definitely was not expecting a 40k touch, but yeah, this is really, really good, guys, for Bitcoin. And who's saying that this isn't the bottom now? And you know, everybody's looking, oh, let's find a retracement. That was the retracement, guys. That was the drop off. Everybody should have been selling everything, waiting for that opportunity, packing your bags and buying the fuck out of the market. I know I did on certain things. I wish I'd have gone a lot heavier, but ultimately very, very happy with my choices. The analysis is playing out, guys, so it is very important that you check out the daily updates. Look, they're not always right, but when they are right, they're fucking right, you know what I mean? So I'm going to put this in as a rough edit because I know there's a lot of people probably waiting for a kind of update right now, but I'll come back with the actual finished edited touch later on. What can we expect from Bitcoin right now? So you see this little line here that I've drawn. That's some support that I expect us to come down. Touch here. We are looking for a break of this green downward support line here. If we go to a 4-hour chart and we open it up, you can see. Look, we're being suppressed here by this 200 moving average. We do really need to start breaking above these areas here, but that in itself is magnificent. And sometimes I wish I'd take my own advice because I'd still be in that long right now. But look, is what it is. Can't cry over spilt milk. Hope everybody's still in some kind of positions and they've not got caught out as of yet. So look, that's the markets, guys. Really hope that you're taking the bull by the horns. Yeah, like the markets are volatile. Just trade safe, guys. Don't be jumping right in right now and buying all these pumps. Same again, wait for a bit of a pullback. But if we do have a pullback, where can we potentially go? So this white box here, this is the reason why I took that long as well, and I put that circle there. So if you collapse this white box here, this is the original inside day that we had. So I used that parameter as I've pulled it across as a bottom. So that's kind of where I got the bottom from. We could pull down back into it as a top before then making us way and rejecting back to the upside. But things still are uncertain, so nothing's a given yet. The markets could could turn, they could easily go back down, but I don't think they are. I believe that this war on Russia is going to have the opposite effect on what people actually think on the markets, just for reasons that people need a safe haven. Banks and gold and valuables aren't safe right now, so what can people put the money in if there is a war to leave to the children, to, you know, potentially start a life after this war? So that's where you've got to think. That's how crypto is going to be relevant. And guys, look, I hope you loved the update. Short, sweet this morning, very unplanned, but this is what's happening in the markets. If you're not in the Discord group and you aren't a free member, make sure you're jumping in the groups. If you are a member and you're not in the Discords, why have you fucked it off? You were in there for a reason. Start back up, guys. Start watching the updates. Take advantage of this, because I can guarantee in 2 months' time you're going to be kicking yourself saying, oh, it told me. And you've all paid for access to the Discord, whoever's got it, so fucking use it. Anyway, boys, listen, that's it. I'm going to wrap that up right now. I'm going to watch the markets. I'm going to analyse where we're at, and I'm going to see what's actually going on. So, happy tradings. Be safe. Have your wits about you. Don't buy into any pumps. Wait for a correction, but ultimately, just be aware of what's happening and why, guys. Enjoy.